Hi guys, it's Christine, and I wanted to personally invite you to our very first mega open house here in Loxahatchee. Stephanie, my partner, and I will be hosting a open house at 16897 77th Lane North from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. We want you all to come. So make sure you tell your friends about it. I posted the open house on my page below, so make sure you see it. I have a flyer here. It's a great 3-bedroom. You won't miss out. This will last. This will be gone tomorrow or the next day, but it will not be here long. So I want you all to come out. I want you to stop and see what we're doing, how we're going to market this home to not only our customers, but everybody out there. So hope to see you soon, and mwah!